Hi friends, welcome back to the Programmer Guide YouTube channel. In last video we have completed the intermediate methods, right? Now we are going to discuss about the Stream API terminal methods. I hope you have been observed, right? While explaining about the intermediate method, we have been used different set of terminal methods, okay? Like collect, for each, okay, and min, max also we have used, count also we have used, okay. So most of the terminal operations we have already used. Now we'll see again with better examples, okay. But collect is, now I'm not going to be covered right now, because right, collect is having the extreme features like stream API, okay. So I'm going to cover with collectors API. I mean collectors, one of the feature is there, right? I have explained in the first video. So along with that I'm going to be explain the collect also, okay. And for each you have been already covered. It is going to be loop the data and need to be print, okay. Now in this video, in this upcoming videos and this tutorial, right, I'm going to cover with the toArray, reduce, min, max, count, find first, find any match, in none match. These things I will cover within 2-3 videos, okay. So later I am going to cover with the parallel streams and difference between the sequential streams and parallel streams. Then I will cover with the coming to the collectors, okay. So now let's come to the topic, terminal operations. I mean, as you seen, right, terminal operations will be used to compute the stream data and return the non-stream values and ends the results like a primitive or object or collection. It is going to be written, okay. See, in the stream API, right, there can be 0 or more intermediate operations can be exist, but right, it should exactly at least, I mean it should be only one terminal operations must and should, okay. There can be intermediate operation or not, but it should be exist the terminal operation, okay. Terminal operations cannot be chained together, because right, it is not going to be used more than one terminal operations. Terminal operations are eagerly loaded, they produce the end results, okay. We will see the examples, okay, but be focus on this. Subscribe my channel for collectors, okay. Collectors is the extreme feature in real world industry in the organization, right. We have been used widely in this collect feature, okay. I will explain in that. So please subscribe my channel for the future videos, okay. Let's see the in this video I'm going to cover the toArray, okay. toArray method is used to convert the stream of objects into the array. See, in our collections we know, right, we can convert from arrays to collections to arrays by using the arrays dot as list and arrays dot to list, like that, okay. So for that streams, right, there is no operation as of now, but we can directly use the toArray function to do the terminal, I mean to convert the stream into the array object, okay. There are two ways we can convert. One is the object returns, like a toArray. Whenever we are going to convert the certain stream of object, right, stream, right, it is going to be return the object, okay. Returns an array containing the elements of the stream. I mean object toArray returns the an array containing the elements of the stream. Here, right, t of 2, I mean t is the any custom objects like a string, integer, or person, employee, or organization, bank, anything, okay. And it is going to be written, and toArray into function. See here, into function is the generator function. The generator function takes an integer which I mean this integer is going to belong to the size of the array, okay. So the size of the array and produces the desired size. Actually what I am trying to say is, right, this method is going to be returns an array containing the elements of the stream using the provided generator function to allocate returned array, and as well as additional arrays that might be required for partition or executive resizing. That means in general terms I am concluding this in the computer language. Okay, see the general terms, right? The generator function is going to be take the input integer which is belongs to the size of the array and produces an array of desired size. This can be concisely expressed with the array constructor reference or lambda expression. See, anything we can use. Okay, those example how we can use the constructor reference and how we can use the lambda expression, for this we will see with the set of examples. See, this is the toArray method example 1. Okay, I have written already. Arrays dot as list is the array of elements and converting the list. Okay, this list I am converting the stream dot toArray. See, stream having the so many methods, right? So but there can be one or more intermediate methods, but must be ending with one terminal method. Here, right, 0 intermediate methods are exist. Okay, here, right, again you need to convert whatever the object it has been written, right, as per the documentation. It is going to be written the object. So once it returns the object, right, so we need to convert that result into the toString arrays dot toString method. Let me execute here. See, this is how it is going to be convert. We have taken the list and converting that list into the array. Okay, or any collection we can do that. Okay, toArray example 2, here we will see like whatever the example we have I have shown you, right, for the second method is going to be written as any object, and here the reference of the object. See, here the string. Okay, first I have taken the stream of objects and I am converting that stream into the string of array. Okay, here, right, what I am doing is toArray dot size. Here, right, size is the predefined function. If you see here, right, see, int function, it is going to be take. What int function is going to be take? Int value. So into value, right, function is going to take the input parameter and return applies the function and returns the value. So such a way it has going to be take the int as a input parameter size and new string of size. If you give the size, right, whatever the size is coming, so then this size is, right, internally it will detect. You need to give the size only. So other than that values it is not going to be detect. Okay, so now you will see the lambda expression of the converting stream to string of array. See, lambda expression results. Let me comment this. Since it is going to be function, right, and accepting the function, right, input parameter, so we can use the constructor reference also. Okay, see, like a method reference, string of array result, stream, whatever the stream we have declared here, and toArray of string of array double colon, that means method reference or constructor reference of new. It is going to be convert that all the stream of objects into the string array of objects. Okay, let me execute this program. I have commented the lambda expression. See, this is the way you can generate that. So let me go for the another example, like custom object. Okay, here, right, I have taken the customer as student is the custom object, ID, name and marks. Here I have generated the constructor, getters and sectors and toString method. Okay, after that I have given the data like A, B, C, D, E, F and student marks 100, 200, 300, 400. Okay, how we can do that, right? Here we can use, there is no restriction to use the intermediate operators, but we can use without intermediate operations also. Okay, so here I am taking the student list and converting I need to get the student object whose marks is greater than only 500. Okay, they are going to be distinct students, right? So I am taking that and returning the toArray of student. of new. So here I am doing the constructor reference. Here you can do with the size also, whatever I have explained in the previous video, right? So you can do the any of the way. Okay, let me execute this. So here, right, student 5 and 6 is having the more greater than 500 marks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe my channel for future videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye and take care.